Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
We are now on the record in 24 TR 2984, State of Kansas versus Jamie Lane Simpson. Jared Regier.
Yes, Your Honor.
State.
Yes,
Jamie. Okay, Jamie Lane Simpson appears in person and pro se. Ms. Simpson, you have one violation of registration. Do you
Yes,
want to look into diversion? Let's see.
No, I don't, Your Honor.
Okay. Do you want to talk to an attorney, hire an attorney, apply for court appointed, or waive and represent yourself?
I can waive and represent myself today.
All right. Do you understand you do have the right to hire an attorney, or if you cannot afford to apply for court appointed? Do you understand that?
I do understand that, Your Honor. Thank you.
And knowing that, you wish to waive your right to an attorney and proceed on your own behalf.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is anyone making you give up your right to an attorney?
No, Your Honor.
Then I will have the record reflect that you knowingly and voluntarily waived your right to counsel and are representing yourself. How do you want to plead to the one count of registration? I would remind you your options are to apply for diversion, to plead not guilty and set it for trial at a later date, plead guilty, admitting the charge and proceed to sentencing, or plead no contest, whereby you're neither admitting nor denying the charge, but you don't want to take it to trial. You'll still be found guilty and sentenced today.
Your Honor, unless Mr. Regier will lessen this sentence because his father was my driver's ed teacher, I will plead no contest.
All right. Well, you gonna take any concern on that, Mr. Regier?
Your Honor, the state is not aware of that being a statutory element for purposes of the offense currently before the court.
All right. Well, you tried.
You have to try.
Yeah, there you go. All right. Well, okay. So you said you're going to plead how?
No contest, please, Your Honor.
All right. By no contest, you're not admitting, but you're not going to deny and take it to trial. Is that right?
Correct, Your Honor.
And is anyone making you enter this no contest plea today by any threats or promises?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Regier, have you a factual basis to support a no contest plea?
One moment, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor. Pursuant to the ticket, this is a case involving a stop that occurred on November 10th of 2024 involving a vehicle manufactured in 2011. The location of the ticket of the stop pursuant to the ticket appears to be US 54 at milepost 232. The state's understanding is that is between Andover and Augusta's city limits, well within Butler County boundaries. Besides citing the defendant for a violation of KSA 8142, the officer specifically noted in the court comments, quote, said bought paperwork, said bought in September, paperwork showed bought in July. It would appear that pursuant to the same court comments, the defendant admitted to not having the vehicle registered, and it is the state's position that based off of the evidence, this is not a case where KSA 8135, insofar as any exceptions would apply.
All right. I find the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily entered the no contest plea, and the state has provided a factual basis to support such a plea. Finding the defendant guilty, I would invite recommendations from the state for sentencing.
$50 fine, $108 court costs, 30 days underlying sentence, 6 months non-reporting probation, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. Simpson, at this time, your fine is $50. Your court costs are $108. Your sentence will be 30 days suspended. You will not have to serve that, provided you're successful on a 6-month non-reporting probation. That probation will have just 2 conditions. The first one is do not violate any laws during this 6 months. And the second one is to pay the $158. Can you pay that within 30 days?
Yes, Your Honor.
That will be the order of the court then. And it will be paid at the clerk of the district court. I can give you the number if you want to find out how to pay that online or other options.
That would be appreciated.
That number is
Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Anything further, Ms. Simpson?
No, that's it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Anything further, Mr. Regier, for the state?
No, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Then we'll be in
you.
recess. Ms. Simpson is excused.